Hey guys, today we're talking about the Surface Duo 1. Got an update. The Fold 3 and the Flip 3 also got updates. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Guys, real fast before we get in this video, I am running a giveaway on my other channel. It's a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. It ends on 11/19. All you have to go ahead and do is to enter is subscribe to this channel, Fantasy Chalks Up, which is my football channel, and That Mike Gamer, which is my MUT channel, and then comment on the giveaway video, icon in the right hand corner, link down below, your gamer tag, PSN, or your email, so I can go ahead and email, contact the winner in some way. Let's go ahead and talk about it, guys. Starting off right away, yes, Microsoft pushed out an update for the Surface Duo 1. No, it did not get Android 11. And this is kind of the scary truth we're going to have to kind of live with the Surface Duo 1, okay? Microsoft could not even perfect Android 11 for the Duo 2. When it first came out, when the first release of the Duo 2 came out, Android 11 on the Duo 2, it was still buggy, it was still glitchy, and had issues. Now, since then, Microsoft put out an update and fixed a lot of those issues and bugs. But still, to this day, 1 month later, it's not 100% perfect. It still has its issues sometimes. It still glitches a tad bit. It's not as noticeable as it used to be. Don't get me wrong. It's a lot better than it was before. But it still has issues from time to time. That is the problem, because you got to keep in mind that the Surface Duo 2 has the latest and greatest hardware. It has a Snapdragon 888 processor, it has 8 GB of RAM, and it has everything you really want out of a device, and a flagship device, with that being said. Now, for the Duo 1, it has all outdated hardware, and that's why I think, Android 10 never could run on it effectively, because of the fact it doesn't have updated hardware. Now, the 855 processor it has in there is still a really good processor, don't get me wrong, but the fact is, if they couldn't perfect it on Android 10 on that device, and Android 11 now on the Surface Duo 2, they couldn't perfect that for day one of launch. Most likely, the issue they're running into right now is they can't create a stable Android 11 on the Duo 1. And this is what I kind of said in the video before, but I'll say it again. I'd rather have Android 10 that is a lot more stable on the Duo 1 than have Android 11 be pushed and forced to it and have it be unstable, crash, and be just an absolute mess like the Duo 1 was when it first came out. And that's what I'm really scared about with the Duo is I'm scared if we do get the Android 11 update, which they said by the end of this year, so they still have another month to do this, but if they do go ahead and push this update out there and they just say, you know what? You guys wanted it, right? You guys going to have it now. And it's just unstable and it's a mess. I'm telling you right now, if we get the Android 11 update next month, do not update right away. Wait. I promise you guys, I will make a video. The day it comes out, I will make that video that same day. I'll put out a review and I'll tell you I'm going to test this thing front, back, left and right. I'm gonna give you guys every little detail about this device running Android 11. Do not update until I do that, because I don't want you guys to update, not be able to go back, and then bam, now you have an unstable device, right? So again, like I said, do not update until you see my video, and I'll tell you guys, hey, this is actually good. This is actually going good. Or whoa, no, guys, do not update. This actually is so unstable, right? So with that in mind, I think that's what Microsoft's kind of running into the issue, is that even with the latest and greatest, Android 11 could not be perfected on the Duo 2. So Duo 1, outdated hardware, might be a problem. Now, with that being said, though, I will say we're probably going to get it next month. It's really what they said, and at the end of the day, probably what they're going to do. They're going to try to figure out something, and even if it's like a mixed match or something, they're going to figure it out. Now, I did say in my previous video about Android 12L how yes, it will be coming on the Duo 2, and somebody commented and asked, will we get Android 12L on the Duo 1? And the answer to that is absolutely no. The reason why we're not getting a Duo 1, and I do believe that they probably tested on the Duo 1, because obviously, Google was making it. They're going ahead and testing on every single service, Duo 1, Duo 2, Fold 3, and of course the Pixel Fold, but they're probably not going to release it on the Duo 1. It's the same concept where eventually Apple stops releasing updates to certain Apple products, because eventually the device can't handle it, right? So eventually there's so many new features that take advantage of certain things, and simply the device can't handle it. Now, Apple does a really good job of that, because even my iPad Air 2 over here is still getting updates, and that is 7 years old. But there are some devices, like certain iPhones, that simply they just won't get updates anymore. With that being said, though, again, I do believe we will get an update of Android 11, but I think it's going to be either really good, or so I think it's going to either be mediocre or really bad. And Microsoft might have to figure out a way to fix that. With that being said, though, let's go ahead and talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 update, because yes, this update right here for the Duo 1, all it was is stability and security updates. It wasn't anything. It was a very small file size, 42.74 megabytes. Not much at all. All right, so for the Fold 3 and the Flip 3, same concept applies. It was actually a very small update. Now, if you guys have not done so already, make sure you go ahead and you can try out Android 12, not 12L, but 12 on the Z Flip 3 and Fold 3 right now for the beta program. I've been using it nonstop, and I absolutely love it personally. And now again, eventually we'll get 12L on those devices too. But for right now, we just have 12, and I will say it's really, really good. The only issue is, again, for the Fold 3, the outside display no longer runs at 120 Hertz. It only 60 Hertz because it's glitched with the 12 beta. Kind of does suck, but it's whatever, just how it works. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Really, in all honesty, if you are a Duo 1 user, do you want Android 11? Do you want the risk, the chance of it being buggy, glitchy, and broken? Or are you just like, listen, I just want Android 11. I want the features Android 11 gives you. Because it does give you a lot more features. Give you a lot more control panels, give you a lot more setting features, and it does overall improve your experience of the device. My issue is not that. My issue is can it run stable on your device, right? So with that in mind, for the Fold 3 and the Flip 3, with these updates, these are just security updates, nothing too special with that being said. But again, next month, we're probably going to see something with Android 12 being released. And Android 12, again, will be released most likely on these devices. But I think this is really just going to gear toward the 12L sometime early next year. And right now, at the moment, we do know that the Galaxy S22 is actually going to be coming out February 18th of 2022, guys. And that, of course, is right around the time period when we're going to see the Pixel Fold. That's right around the time period we're going to see Android 12L. So, a lot of exciting stuff next year, early next year, thank God. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you enter that giveaway. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.